Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brandon, your trusted realtor, and as you can see, I'm still unpacking from the weekend, but I'm coming to you with another great episode. So before I get on my marketing trip, because I have over 500 letters that I need to send out between today and tomorrow to potential clients, I wanted to come to you guys with another great video. Today, I want to talk to you about a home warranty: why, who, what, when, where, and what does it all mean? Now, why would an individual get a home warranty? That's a great question. Your home warranty is a mechanism, or it's assurance for your protection. It's protection for your home, and it gives you that added layer of security that in the event that one of your major mechanical or structural entities in your home, or not necessarily entities, that's not the right word, but if you have some mechanical or structural issues like the refrigerator goes out, stove, hot water heater, furnace, etc., those things are covered as it relates to the home warranty. It's an important and essential tool that for any homeowner to have when it comes to having some protections as it relates to your property. Now, you can ask yourself, who pays for the home warranty? And that is a great question. It depends on what phase of the home ownership transaction you're in. Now, if you are in the very beginning, then there is a section within your contract, your offer, that dictates whether or not the home warranty is going to be paid for by the buyer or by the seller. So that is something on the front end of the discussion that you can negotiate who pays for that, either in part or in whole. Or if you already own the home right now and you're in it and you're just now coming upon this video, you can actually get in contact with a home warranty company. I'll leave a link down below of a home warranty point of contact and a home warranty company that I work with most often. And that way you can do that initial research. So you yourself can make those payments or pay the lump sum for the year. Now, what does it do? The home warranty does several things. One is an added level of security and protection for your asset. Remember, your home is an asset, and sometimes for many of us, it's going to be the largest asset that we purchase. So in the event that one or multiple mechanical systems or structures fail you, you want to be in a position where you can get those things taken care of immediately. So for example, there was a case where I talked to an associate or a friend of mine, and his refrigerator had gone out right before Thanksgiving. And this is a situation where it would be awful for anyone. But in this case, he didn't have a home warranty, so he ended up having to go through the process and pay out of pocket. Fortunately, he's in a great financial position to be able to do that. But after talking to him, was able to inform him that a home warranty would have covered that, and for whatever your let's call it a copay. Whatever your copay is for the home warranty, they'll come out, you'll pay that initial fee, and they'll take care of either refixing it, or if the licensed professional dictates that appliance or machinery or mechanical instrument needs to be replaced, they'll go through the process of replacing it completely. So it is that added security and peace of mind that you really have, that in this X hundreds of thousands of dollars that you spend on this home, that you'll have that reassurance of knowing that your particular property, your investment, has a level of protection. Imagine, you don't go driving around without insurance. And some of you, maybe you do, and you probably have the worst palpitations when you almost get into a car incident or a car accident. This is insurance for your home, and it's a nominal amount. Another thing to ask yourself is, how much is this insurance? Well, it varies from the type of property you have. If you have a condo, the home warranty is significantly less. You're looking probably $300 to $400 for a home warranty for a condo. But for townhomes and for single family homes, the price goes up. So for a townhome, you're usually in the $450 to $575 range. And for a single family home, you're closer to about $750. That's the cost of the coverage for the year. With most home warranty cover companies, you have the option to break that payment up into monthly payments, which usually equates to anywhere between $50 and less than $100 a month for a protection for your major appliances. This also includes things like washer and dryers. How many of you all are guilty for leaving or not cleaning out your washer and dryer lint? Did you know that on average in the United States, 10,000 fires are caused in homes because individuals don't change out their washer and dryer lint traps? It's a real serious issue, but if you have the level of insurance and you have a home warranty, you can also get those appliances replaced and with your insurance, protect that asset. It's really a no-brainer when you begin to think about it. And if you live in DC, I already know what you guys spend probably in a quarter when it comes to lunching and brunching, and $600 is nothing. So let's move on. Now, where do you find the information you need for home warranties and what's best for you? I always say start with the standard Google search. The Google is going to be a great place for you to go and type in home warranty, and it's going to give you a host of different information. I'll also, like I said before, leave a link down in my description so that way you can access home warranty companies that I personally use, as well as a home warranty company that I provide to my clients. One of the things also, benefits of this home warranty company is that they will also do things like if you just moved into a home and you want to rekey your locks, you could go through the process of buying completely new locks, or you could have a locksmith come out and rekey them. Rekeying locks is actually fairly expensive. It's a several $100 expense. But if you want all your keys to be the same and to have that peace of mind that no one's going to just arbitrarily come into your door because there's random copies of keys floating out there when you buy a new home, this home warranty company will rekey up to 5 locks for you for your standard copay costs for being a member with them. So there's other memberships and benefits that are associated with a home warranty that you really have to think about. Is the juice worth the squeeze? And the answer is yes. Now, finally, how long does a home warranty policy last? And a home warranty policy is going to last you for a period of 6 to 12 months. Typically, most home warranty companies are going to be looking for a 12-month commitment, and then this commitment renews each month. There are also different tiers and different protection plans that the home warranty policy provides you. So you have the option, within reason, to customize the home warranty package so that it best fits your needs. Remember, the name of the game is having the most information possible, so that way you can be the most informed and make the best decisions for yourself, your asset, and your family. My name is Brandon. I'm your trusted realtor. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like and that subscription and notification bell so you can stay tuned in and in tune to the latest and greatest realty here in the DMV and everywhere else. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and make sure you screenshot all of my information and keep that on hand. Save it in your favorites so that way you can refer me to your friends whenever they have real estate needs, and or if you have real estate needs yourself. Remember, for my ecosystem of individuals, even if you don't live in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia region and you want to buy a property, I can set you up with a real estate agent or real estate professional that is going to be perfect for you. We'll have to have a short interview or phone discussion so that way I can kind of really get your vibe and feel your energies, so that way I can make sure that I interview and put you and align you with the right person. So I'm Brandon, your trusted realtor, and I look forward to being your resource for all of your real estate needs. Take care and talk to you soon.